If you need to change your birthday on Roblox using Android, follow these steps carefully. First, open the Roblox app and log into your account. Once you are on the home screen, tap on the three dots in the bottom right corner to open the menu. Scroll down and select Settings. From here, you go to Account Info section. In this section, you will see your personal details, including your birthday. However, Roblox restricts birthday changes for accounts under certain age settings. If your account qualifies, you will see the option to edit your birthday. Tap on it and enter the correct date. If you can't edit your birthday, it's likely because Roblox has locked this feature for security reasons, especially for underage accounts. In such cases, you will need to contact Roblox support. Go to the help section by scrolling down to the help option in the menu. From there, access the support page and submit a request explaining the issue. Provide accurate details, including your account, email, and any verification information they require. Roblox support will review your request and assist you in updating your birthday if it meets their criteria. Remember to double check the new date before saving or submitting your request to avoid any future complications.